What if I told you there's an animal that can drink over 30 gallons of water in just a few minutes, survive weeks in scorching deserts, and even close its nostrils whenever a sandstorm hits? Sounds like a creature from a science fiction movie, but it's real. And surprisingly, some of the most unbelievable facts about camels are the ones most people have never heard before. By the end of this video, you'll discover why camels are among the most perfectly designed survivors on Earth. And trust me, the last fact is so strange that many people refuse to believe it's true. 10. Camels can drink an incredible amount of water in minutes. Most animals would become seriously sick if they drank too much water too quickly. Not camels. A thirsty camel can drink up to 30 gallons, or around 114 liters of water in only about 10 minutes. That's roughly the same as drinking an entire bathtub full of water. Imagine running a marathon under the blazing desert sun and then instantly replacing all the water your body lost. That's essentially what a camel can do. Scientists discovered that camel blood cells are specially adapted to handle extreme hydration changes without bursting. This allows them to survive long periods without water and then recover incredibly fast once they find a source. For desert travelers throughout history, this ability often meant the difference between life and death. 9. They don't store water in their humps. This might be one of the biggest animal myths ever. Most people believe camel humps are giant water tanks. They're not. Camel humps actually store fat. Lots of it. The fat acts like a portable energy reserve. When food becomes scarce, the camel's body breaks down that fat to generate energy. This adaptation helps them survive in environments where vegetation can disappear for long periods. Interestingly, when a camel uses much of its stored fat, the hump can become smaller and even flop to one side. After the animal eats enough food again, the hump gradually returns to its normal shape. So next time someone says camels store water in their humps, you'll know the truth. 8. Camels can survive losing a huge amount of body water. For humans, losing just a small percentage of body water can become dangerous. For camels, it's a completely different story. A camel can lose around 25% of its body weight in water and still survive. Most mammals would die long before reaching that level of dehydration. Their bodies have evolved to function under conditions that would be catastrophic for other animals. This superpower allows camels to cross vast deserts, where water may not be available for days or even weeks. It's one of the reasons they earned the nickname, the ships of the desert. 7. They have built-in sandstorm protection. Imagine living somewhere where giant clouds of sand can suddenly blast across the landscape. Camels have evolved incredible defenses against this problem. Their nostrils can partially close during sandstorms. Their long eyelashes act like natural filters, and they even have an extra eyelid that helps protect their eyes from blowing sand. Think of it as built-in desert goggles. While other animals struggle, in harsh desert weather, camels are specially equipped to keep moving. Nature basically turned them into living all-terrain vehicles. 6. Camels can handle temperatures that would destroy most animals. Desert temperatures can be brutal, scorching heat during the day, freezing cold at night. Most animals would struggle with such extreme changes. Camels have a remarkable solution. Their body temperature naturally fluctuates throughout the day. Instead of constantly sweating to stay cool, they allow their temperature to rise. This helps conserve precious water. It's an incredibly efficient survival strategy. In some desert regions, this adaptation allows camels to remain active while many other animals seek shelter. So far, we've learned that camels can survive dehydration, sandstorms, and extreme temperatures. But the next facts get even stranger. One of them involves eating something that would send most animals running in pain. Stay until the end because the final fact is the most unbelievable camel adaptation ever discovered. 5. Camels can eat thorny plants. Have you ever accidentally touched a cactus? Now imagine eating one. Camels regularly eat thorny desert plants that would injure many other animals. How? The inside of their mouths is lined with tough, leathery structures that help protect them from sharp spikes. This allows them to consume food sources that many competitors simply can't eat. In harsh deserts, being able to eat almost anything is a massive advantage. 4. Baby camels are born without humps. Here's a fact many people never hear. Baby camels are actually born without fully developed humps. That's right. The iconic hump develops as they grow and begin storing fat. At birth, the area is relatively flat and covered with loose skin. As the young camel matures, the hump gradually takes shape. It's a reminder that even desert survival experts have to grow into their superpowers. 3. Camels have extra thick feet for walking on sand. Walking across loose sand isn't easy. Your feet sink with every step. Camels solve this problem with huge, specially adapted feet. Their broad, padded feet spread their weight across a larger surface, R. This prevents them from sinking deeply into the sand. It's similar to how snowshoes help people walk across deep snow. Without these incredible feet, crossing deserts would be far more difficult. 2. Camels have been helping humans for thousands of years. Long before airplanes, trains, or trucks existed, camels connected civilizations. They transported people, food, water, spices, silk, and valuable goods across enormous deserts. Entire trade routes depended on them. Without camels, some of history's most important commercial networks may never have existed. In many regions, camels were not just animals. They were lifelines. Their endurance helped shape human history. 1. Camel red blood cells are unlike those of most mammals. Ready for the most astonishing fact? Most mammals have round red blood cells. Camels don't. Their red blood cells are oval-shaped. This unusual design allows the cells to keep flowing even when the animal becomes severely dehydrated. It also helps them rapidly absorb large amounts of water when they finally drink. Scientists consider this one of the key reasons camels are such extraordinary survivors. In other words, their desert superpower exists all the way down to the microscopic level. Nature didn't just adapt camels on the outside. It redesigned them from the inside out. Camels are far more than animals with humps. They're biological masterpieces built for one of the harshest environments on Earth. From drinking enormous amounts of water to surviving brutal dehydration, and even having uniquely shaped blood cells. Nearly every part of their body is optimized for survival. Now it's your turn. Which camel fact surprised you the most? Was it the giant water-drinking ability, the thorn-eating superpower, or the incredible blood cells? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed learning these amazing animal facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more unbelievable discoveries from the natural world. See you in the next video.